G'day mate, let's get real. If you've been grinding out endless ab workouts and still can't see your six-pack, it's not just you. The fitness world has sold us a myth that abs are built with crunches and planks alone. But the truth, most of those chiseled abs you see online weren't made that way. Many were revealed or even created by methods that have nothing to do with traditional ab exercises. The industry doesn't talk about this because it doesn't sell gym memberships. Today, we're pulling back the curtain. We'll explore the real secrets and shortcuts people use to get that six-pack. Once you know how abs are actually made, you'll never look at fitness or those perfect Instagram bodies the same way again. Let's dive in. First up, cryolipolysis, better known as fat freezing. The idea? Freeze fat cells until they die, then let your body flush them out. No surgery, no needles, just a machine targeting stubborn belly fat. Why does this matter for abs? Because most people can't see their abs due to a layer of fat, not a lack of muscle. Instead of months of dieting, some just erase the fat directly. Fat freezing lets you spot reduce, something diet and exercise can't do. It's a shortcut. You could have a weak core, but if the fat's gone, your abs show. The results? Subtle, sometimes expensive, and not without risks. But it's changing the game. Now, you don't have to earn your abs the old-fashioned way. The line between what's earned and what's bought is blurrier than ever. When you see shredded abs, ask yourself, was it hard work or just a cold machine? This is the first big secret. You can literally have fat removed. It's a powerful shift in how we think about fitness. Is it about the process or just the result? With tech like this, the result is up for sale, and that's just the beginning. If fat freezing is a shortcut, high-definition liposuction is a private jet. This isn't just removing fat, it's sculpting a six-pack with surgical precision. Surgeons carve out the grooves around your abs, sometimes even injecting fat to make the muscles pop. The result? Magazine cover abs, even if you never had definition before. For actors and influencers, it's a guaranteed fast-track result. No genetics, no discipline, just a surgeon's skill. Many perfect bodies are designed in operating rooms, not gyms. This sets an impossible standard for the rest of us. You can train hard and eat right, but you can't outwork a scalpel. The truth, some physiques are medical illusions. Are we chasing health, or an aesthetic only surgery can deliver? Knowing this changes how you see fitness, and yourself. The playing field isn't level. Some people are rewriting the rules with their wallets, and most of us never even know. Now, let's talk about EMS, electric muscle stimulation. You've seen the AB belts on TV, but the real tech is used in rehab and elite sports. EMS sends electrical impulses to your muscles, making them contract without your brain. In pro studios, full-body EMS suits can make a 20-minute workout feel like 90. It activates deep core muscles you can't hit with normal training. For abs, it's a way to supercharge your results, amplifying every rep. It won't create abs from nothing, but it can give you an edge. Some athletes use EMS to break plateaus or target stubborn muscles. So, when you see someone with a crazy strong core, remember, they might be using tech you don't see. It's not just about hard work anymore. The shortcut is real. The playing field? Even less level than you thought. Another hidden factor in the six-pack game. Let's rewind to an old-school secret, the stomach vacuum. Bodybuilders like Arnold and Frank Zane use this to shrink their waists. No fat loss required. The stomach vacuum targets the transverse abdominis, your body's natural corset. Most people have a weak TVA, making their belly stick out, even if they're lean. The exercise? Exhale. Pull your navel toward your spine, and hold. Over time, your waist tightens, your posture improves, and you look leaner. It's an illusion. Same body fat, smaller waist. That's how classic bodybuilders got those tiny waists and dramatic V-tapers. It's not about crunches or planks, it's about deep muscle control. Two people with the same abs and fat can look totally different if one trains their TVA. No fancy tech, no surgery, just knowledge and consistency. Sometimes the oldest tricks are the most powerful. If you're missing this, you're missing a key piece of the puzzle. The shape of your waist isn't just about fat or muscle. It's about what's underneath. Now, let's go deeper. Inside your gut microbiome, trillions of bacteria. can decide how much fat you store and how your abs look. Some bacteria make you absorb more calories from the same food. An unhealthy gut causes inflammation, messes with hormones, and leads to belly fat and bloating. You can be lean, but if you're bloated, your abs stay hidden. Even a perfect diet won't help if your gut is out of balance. Foods that are healthy for some can cause bloating for others. Many people fight an invisible battle, internal issues that sabotage their results. The real secret: abs can be hidden by more than just fat. A healthy gut is the foundation for a lean, defined midsection. Without it, you're fighting your own body. Eat less, move more, ignores this hidden world. Sometimes the real obstacle is inside. The most overlooked factor? Sleep. Sleep isn't just rest, it's when your body repairs, burns fat, and balances hormones. Poor sleep spikes cortisol, making your body store belly fat. It drops testosterone, making it harder to build muscle and easier to gain fat. Just a week of bad sleep can wreck your hormones like aging a decade. It also ruins insulin sensitivity, so you store more fat from the same food. And it messes with hunger hormones, making you crave junk and overeat. You can have the best diet and workouts, but if you're not sleeping, you're sabotaging yourself. Sleep is the foundation. Without it, nothing else works. No one sees your sleep, but it shapes your body more than any workout. All the shortcuts in the world can't fix chronic sleep deprivation. It's the silent saboteur of six-packs everywhere. Don't sacrifice it for anything. If you want real results, start with sleep. So, there it is. Six-pack abs aren't just made in the kitchen or gym. They're revealed by freezing fat, sculpted by surgeons, boosted by tech, tightened by old-school tricks, and hidden or revealed by your gut and your sleep. The do more crunches story is a myth. The reality is complex and often deceptive. Knowing these secrets isn't about judging, but freeing yourself from impossible standards. There are many paths to a six-pack, and most aren't what you've been told. The real question: which methods are worth it, and which are dangerous traps? In part 2, we'll separate science from scams, so you can finally understand the true cost of chasing that six-pack. Stay tuned.